Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. As you all know, I am on a quest to downsize. So I want to see today if I can get this throw weight bag and this antenna bag to be one together. Let's get into it. Okay, I did a video on this Weaver Arborist throw weight bag before. This is fantastic. I still like it. It's just big, but it folds down small, but not quite small enough. And it actually goes from a bag to, if I can get it open right. There we go. Goes from a bag to a box, and it holds your throw line in, and it holds your throw weight in. And then make sure that you keep both ends tied. So this end is tied to the throw weight, and this end is tied to the bag, and that keeps it from tangling up. It will never tangle up. It might jumble up a little bit, but you can always unweave it because of the fact that the lines never cross ends, therefore they're never tying themselves in a knot. But you'll come to love and appreciate that as time goes by. Fantastic bag, it's just big. So I got a new bag in the mail. Let's take a look at what this bag offers us. First off, it's tiny, which is a good thing. And in here there is another ring at the bottom to hook this part of the line to. So let's do that. And then I need to feed all of that line into this bag. And this would probably be a lot easier if I was putting the line back in the bag from the tree instead of from another bag. All right, we'll come back when it's all done. Okay, and now we're coming down to the end here. And I just put it all in the bag. And there we go. Cinch this down nice and tight. And I haven't even taken the tags off of it yet, so you guys got to see it first with me. Now, this will fit in my antenna bag, which is currently overflowing with antennas because probably just like you guys, I love antennas. So we'll put this down there inside the bag. And we are good to go. This has got antenna making supplies, lots of cordage in it, and so on. So that's my antenna bag. And then this, if you stand up and you put your feet on the edges and you take where it says open and close, and it's got arrows, so close is that way, and you just rotate it, it folds up nice and easy, and it is good to go. So this will go in the giveaway pile for an upcoming giveaway stream. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel for that. Otherwise, there is a video right over here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. We'll see you over there.